Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'll show you what Quizlet app is and exactly how to use it to study smarter, flashcards, practice tests and more. Let's dive in. Quizlet is a study app that helps you learn anything using digital flashcards and smart practice tools. You can search millions of existing study sets or create your own and review with modes like flashcards, learn, test and match. It works on iOS, Android and the web and syncs across devices. Now, to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search Quizlet on your search bar at the top of your page, and after the icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Sign up with your email, Google or Apple account, pick up your role, student or teacher and subjects to personalize your recommendations. To find sets, tap on search at the top of your page right here and enter a topic like biology, cell parts or Spanish food vocab, then open a set and tap save to add it to your library. Skim terms, star any you want to focus on. Then to create your own, which is best for exams, tap on create at the bottom of your page besides the home button right here. So tap on that, then tap on folder and you can give it a title, example chemistry, acids and bases, like that. Then add term on the left and definition on the right. You can also add images, pick language and toggle audio to hear pronunciation, which is optional. Use import to paste a list, one term per line or term. Tap definition to build cards in seconds, then tap save. Your set is ready anywhere you log in. Quizlet mixes multiple choice, type in and recall questions and adapts to your weak spots. You'll see progress bars and still learning versus mastered. Auto build a test from a set, written, matching, true, false, multiple choice. Tap options to choose question types and number of questions. Start test, check to see score and corrections. You can also drag terms to their definitions as fast as you can. Great for quick warm-ups. Then to track progress and review on the set page, see mystery and what's stared. Use practice again to revisit missed cards. Turn on study reminders to keep your streak alive. Create folders, example algebra unit 1 or US history. Tap share to send a link to classmates or invite collaborators so friends can help. Add terms. Teachers can group sets for a class and share one link for the whole unit. Break big topics into smaller sets for better retention. Add images, example of images, example to tricky definitions. Do a daily 5 to 10 minute review spaced repetition with cramming. Consider Quizlet Plus if you want offline study and more customization. And that is how you can use the Quizlet app. I hope this video helped you out. Hit like and subscribe and comment down which app you want next. Thank you for watching. Bye.